Hey guys, Nathan here again with the product team. Today we're going to be talking about the high pressure sprayers found in our store. A couple years ago we made a video about these particular sprayers, but since then we've added a couple new things to the store that I wanted to go over with you. So we'll review everything and then talk about the new stuff as well. So let's start again at the basic spray gun. So this is our SGS 28. This is what we consider to be the best basic spray gun on the market right here. It's got swivel down here with the 3/8 plug on the bottom of it, as well as a 1/4 inch coupler on the top. These are just some basic stainless steel Chinese fittings. They work, but we found that this particular gun is one of the best entry-level options on the market today. It's made in Italy. It can do like 4,000 PSI, 12 GPM. It can handle anything that you're going to be throwing at it. So this is a really good place to start your pressure washer journey. All of the basic packages found in our store, basic pressure washing packages, use this gun here. Works great. Absolutely love it. If you move up to our advanced packages, that's when you move to the Mosmatic sprayer. So this one has a double, it's like a second detent squeeze in the trigger. What this does is when you pull it all the way, it actually reduces the holding force needed to hold this trigger, so that way it helps prevent hand fatigue or finger fatigue there. Sometimes if you want to just pull it partially, you can, but if you're doing a lot of spraying, having that detent there is great. Here you also get some really good Mosmatic fittings, so there's a really good Mosmatic swivel on this. This swivel is much better than the swivel found in the SGS. This particular gun, we also spec it with Prima quick disconnects from Veloci. We found them to be really good high quality mid-tier option. This also is a Prima plug, so this will fit well with other Prima couplers as well. But honestly, it'll work with any 3/8 coupler on this side or any 1/4 inch plug on this side for your wand or your foam cannon or whatever you're using. This is one of our better selling guns that we sell in the store. I personally really like these Prima couplers and plugs. If you were to kind of compare these to our basic ones versus our ultimate ones, on a scale of 1 to 10, let's say the basic is a 1 and our ultimate setup is a 10, I'd honestly put these at close to like a 7 or an 8. They were really good. So this is a really good option to consider for your pressure washing setup. Again, just like the basic ones, these are found in all of our advanced packages found on our store, obsessgarage.com. Moving on, this is the big boy, the really top dog of pressure washer spray guns on the market. This is, again, a Mosmatic sprayer, same internals as our mid-tier, but the nice thing with this is you get the nice T304 stainless steel connections. This coupler on here is very smooth. Highly recommend getting one of these in your hands to try out. You'll also notice that this little bit here sticking out is a little bit shorter than the regular Mosmatic gun. This is because they actually moved that swivel up into the handle, and just to get rid of a lot of the bulk there, makes it so it's hidden away and it looks really nice. Obviously you can see this is our Obsessed Garage blue with our own nameplate. We're the only people that can sell this. So if you're interested in this, I highly recommend buying one today. And this can be found in all of our ultimate packages. So ultimate wall mount, ultimate portable accessory packages, the ultimate, like the custom install, the Obsessed Garage wash station comes with this particular gun. It's a really good gun, and I think you'll really enjoy using it. So that kind of covers most of what that other video talked about, but there's a couple extra things that I want to address. First, since that last video, we have since added a rebuild kit for the Mosmatic sprayer. So this will work for the sprayer found in our ultimate kits as well as our advanced kits. This comes with any pieces that may wear. It comes with O-rings. Looks like it comes with a couple tools to get you set up as well as some instructions. This is game changer. Oftentimes we've found that when these start leaking, it was hard to repair because we didn't have a kit for it. Now we have a kit. These guns can be lasting forever. If you like certain aspects of each of these guns, we also sell 2 guns without any quick disconnect. So this is the SGS, this is the Mosmatic sprayer. They have a 1/4 inch NPT threaded outlet outlet, and then a 3/8 NPT threaded inlet. So you can put whatever connections you want onto these. I've seen some people thread a wand directly onto this. Sometimes that works for your situation. But I personally would just stick with the QDs, the pre-built ones found in our store. A really popular upgrade would be to take this and put the Prima quick disconnects on it. That would be a really good upgrade as well, and still keeping you on a budget. Another really cool thing about these Mosmatic sprayers in particular is they have a particular pattern right here of how this overmolding connects to the sprayer. So this housing matches our ultimate housing as well. What we've designed is a kit that actually inserts magnets into each of these holes here where these screws are, and we have a magnetic mount that you mount to your wall, and this simply just mounts on your wall and it looks like it's just hovering there. It's actually pretty cool. Highly recommend getting one of those for your setup as well. All right, so we're actually just getting set up for another shoot, but I was reminded of an issue that our support team continues to have issues with, or people reach out for. So what happens is when you order a garden hose quick disconnect from our store, you get a coupler and you get a plug, and obviously you get a male and a female threaded end. What we do when we ship it to you is we ship them put together. So this looks like it's just one piece, but in reality, it is both of your fittings. I promise we sent both of them. We just send them put together. Enjoy. That's everything you need to know about the high pressure sprayers found on obsessedgarage.com. If you have any questions, feel free to check out the product page for each of these, or we have a great technical support team. You can email them at support@obsessedgarage.com and they'll get you taken care of. See you next time.